In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to make thousands of dollars on Pinterest. But before we get into it, do people actually make that money, or is it just another YouTube lie? Let's find out. Because I tried it, and here's exactly what happened. All right, first things first. We need a fresh Google account just for this side hustle. Keep it completely separate from your personal life. Fill in your name, date of birth, create a Gmail address, set a password, done. Now go to Pinterest.com, top right corner, click sign up. Hit continue with Google, select your account, fill in the basic details, and just like that, you're in. Now here's where it gets important. Setting up your account the right way. First, type in your name and gender. Then Pinterest will ask you to choose your interests. Pick any 3 categories. It'll take a few seconds to set things up. Once it's ready, go to the top right corner, click the downward arrow, and select Convert to Business. Hit Upgrade. Choose Content Creator. Add your business name. Click I don't have a website. Set your country to United States. Hit Next. Now choose your business goals, and here's the most important step of the whole setup. Choosing your niche. A niche is basically the category you're going to post content about. Think of it like picking a lane. Home decor, makeup, fitness, lifestyle. You pick one and you stick to it. The more focused your niche, the better Pinterest pushes your content to the right people. I chose home decor, more specifically, dorm room decor, perfect for college students. And I named my account Dorm Decor Company. On the next screen, click Share Ideas. And that's it. Your Pinterest business account is fully set up. Now, step 2, the money part. Go to Amazon Associates, click Join for free, create your Amazon account, and fill in the required details. This is completely free. And this is how you'll actually earn money, through affiliate commissions every time someone buys a product through your link. All right, now the actual work begins. Inside Amazon Associates, click the search bar and type your niche. I typed home decor and started browsing. I found a stuffed animal storage hammock. Aesthetic, useful, perfect for a dorm room. Exactly what my audience would want. On the top left of every product page, you'll see the category and the commission rate. This tells you exactly how much you'll earn per sale. Home decor pays around 3%. So on a $30 product, you're making maybe 90 cents per sale. Keep that in mind. Top right corner, click Get Link. Copy that link. That's your affiliate link. Every time someone buys through this link, you get the commission. Now scroll down on the product page, click the image to see full view, and copy it. Open ChatGPT. Paste the image along with the prompt I've linked in the description. ChatGPT will analyze the product and give you a perfect prompt to generate a better, more aesthetic version of that image. Copy that prompt, go to Google Gemini Image Generator. Paste the prompt and the original product image. Hit submit and wait a few seconds. And look at this. The AI generated image looks so much better than the original Amazon photo. Download it. Open it, go to edit, crop out the Gemini watermark from the corner, and save. Head back to Pinterest. Click create and choose pin. Upload your AI generated image. Now go back to ChatGPT. Ask it to write a title and description for your pin based on the product. Copy both and paste them into Pinterest. In the link option, paste your affiliate link. Then go to tagged products. Click use a link, paste the link again, and hit enter. Choose the product image from the options. You can also tag some topics to help Pinterest understand what your pin is about. Create a board to keep your pins organized. I made one called Dorm Room Essentials. Double check everything: title, description, link, and hit publish. Your first pin is live. Click Visit Site on your own pin to confirm your affiliate link is working correctly. Okay, so here's the part you've actually been waiting for. Here's my Pinterest account, Dorm Decor Co. You can see all the pins I uploaded. Aesthetic, organized, consistent. Now let's look at the analytics. 2,400 impressions. 89 engagements, meaning pin clicks. 7 outbound clicks, meaning people who actually clicked through to the product link. And those 7 clicks, all me. Just checking if my links were working. Now Amazon Associates, 32 clicks recorded. And the total amount earned, $0. I uploaded pins consistently. I used AI for images, titles, descriptions. I spent roughly an hour a day on this for almost 10 days. $0. So can you make thousands of dollars on Pinterest in 2 to 3 months? No. That's the honest answer. Could you eventually make decent money? Maybe, but we're talking 1 to 2 years of consistent daily work before you see anything real. If this video saved you from wasting months on something that was never going to pay off, drop a like. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people. And I'm not done experimenting. I also did a full 1-week YouTube Shorts challenge, and the results from that are actually way more interesting than this. So if you're not subscribed yet, hit subscribe right now because that video is dropping very soon and you don't want to miss it.